Salams and hello. Welcome back to my channel. This is Maheen Rizvi and you're watching my show Unscripted. Guys, first of all, thank you so much for the amazing feedback and comments from my opening show. That is why I am very excited about the topic today. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Let's face it, what is one of the most common problems in the entire world? And it's a question that I'm very frequently asked. How do I get rid of belly fat? Or how can I get rid of excessive bloating? I have a homemade remedy that is going to help you flatten your belly in just 1 week. And you just need 2 things: root ginger and lemon. Did you all know that ginger is a negative calorie herb? And it aids in speeding up metabolism. What it does is it enhances your thermogenesis and it curbs the hunger. And come on, we all know that hunger pangs will eventually lead to weight gain. And that is very beneficial for a person like me because I'm a big foodie and I love to eat. The best thing about this tea is that you can see results in as early as 7 days. And that is simply not it. Ginger tea has a lot of other benefits. Ginger tea is a natural remedy for a variety of digestive disorders, including vomiting, diarrhea, and gastritis. And it's also going to help you in getting rid of excess water weight. It is also an established remedy for cold and cough. Tried and tested by me, this ginger tea is sure to boost up your metabolism. And it really helps with the belly bloating. Try and see it for yourself. And guys, come on, weight loss is not magic. I mean, it's not going to happen overnight. It's going to take time. So just be patient, hang in there, and do the needful. Guys, I really hope you liked this show today. I'm going to be back soon with yet another very interesting topic. Please don't forget to comment below and do subscribe. And I would really appreciate it if you can like and share my video. And if you have any suggestions, please email me at unscriptedmr@gmail.com. मिलते हैं बहुत जल्द एक और interesting topic के साथ. Till then, bye-bye and Allah Hafiz.